Now see change of state. When heat is given to the matter or to the substance, its state changes. There are most two common changes. One is here we can take here solid to liquid or liquid to solid. And another one is here liquid to gas, or here you can take gas to liquid. So, there are two most common changes in the state of the matter. So, when the heat is given to the solid, solid changes into the liquid. When some amount of heat is extracted from the liquid, it changes into the solid. And similarly, when the liquid is heated, it changes into gas or the vapor, that is a steam we call. And when some heat is taken out from the steam or the steam loses its heat, it condenses and it forms liquid. But all these processes here are the melting, boiling, or here even the freezing or condensation, everything is here depend on the pressure as well. Now see the melting. What is melting? The process of solid into liquid here, this is known as here the changing the process of solid into liquid is known as melting, and the process of the changing liquid into solid is known as fusion. And see here all these both the states solid and liquids, both the states occur at the certain temperature, or you can say both the states coexist in thermal equilibrium. And at this temperature, whatever is temperature required, or at what temperature both the state coexist, that is called melting point of the body. But the different body has the different melting points, and this melting point of the body changes with the pressure. Now say next one is the process of vaporization. Now say in this process liquid changes into gases or vapor here. So when the liquid is heated, for example like a water is heated at 100 degrees Celsius, it starts changing into vapors or start changing into gases or steam. At this temperature is known as boiling point of the water. But see here liquid and gases, both the states of the substance can coexist in thermal equilibrium, and the temperature at which these both the states are found or that coexist, that is known as boiling point or the boiling temperature of the body or the substance. Now see here the boiling point of the body changes with the pressure. If you are increasing the pressure, boiling point increases. If you are decreasing the pressure, boiling point decreases.